Okay, everyone, here's a very short video on how to submit your homework through Blackboard. So when you get into your Blackboard course, on the left-hand panel, you'll have a Submit OWOW Here option. The only OWOW that's open is OWOW number 2. So click on OWOW number 2 and then scroll down and you'll see Browse My Computer. Now at this point, you will have needed to, unless you have a scanner at home, take pictures of your OWOW with your phone, email them to yourself, and then open them and save them onto your computer. So when you hit Browse My Computer, I'm just going to click on any old random OWOW. I'm going to click on OWOW. I'll find OWOW number 2 from the fall right here. So I'm going to click on this. And then I can see that it's right here, the OWOW that I saved. And then I'm going to hit Submit. Okay? You'll get an email confirmation that you submitted your email, that you submitted it. All right? And you should be good to go. So let me know if you have any questions. And we can answer those over the weekend or on Monday, but I need you to submit your OWOW through Blackboard before Monday at 2:30, okay? So have a good weekend, and we'll see you Monday.